How to change your chat wallpaper on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your chat wallpaper on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click on appearance and click on chat color and wallpaper. Now click on set wallpaper. Now you can choose a color, or you can also choose a picture from your gallery by click on choose from photos and choose one of your photos from your gallery. Now for example I'm choosing one of those and this is it. Click on set wallpaper and this is my new wallpaper. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like.